Change of beat, change of fortune. Let's go for it. Maybe I'll pick up a fish here. Maybe I won't. Quite shallow. Oh yes. Nice fish. This is my lightest river rod. Nice brownie. Yeah. Okay, I'm happy. I can go home. I caught one. Hey, home. Home is a hotel room. Nice fish. Minding its own business. Hey, rainbow, I think. No, brownie. It's just the way it looked in the water, the colour, it looked like a pink stripe. Nice, nice fish. They're marvellous, but they're taking it right in the scissors. This 5-foot one's so difficult to see. Why have I got it on? Oh. Did that take my flat? No way, Jose, that was... I went to 3x. That fish bust me off there. Oh, and again. Just there. There we go. Yep, someone I seen rising. Wow. Oh. The line was jammed to the reel handle. Very light tackle this. Not that big a fish, just fit. No, take that back, it's not a bad little rainbow. Okay, there we go. Nice rainbow. Seen it rising a couple of times. Last, a fly I can see. Tee-hee-hee. There we go. It's that one that's been rising and annoying me. Oh, he's off. There we go. That's where I'd seen that one rising earlier. Just in case of covering him a couple of times. Oh, he's scaring the whole pool. Oh, it's a big fish, that's why. Wow, what size is that? Oh, he's off. Size 18. I've been pulling fish on the big fly and I've not been taking the true. So I thought I would try a very small fly. Makes it much harder for me to see. But I'm more confident the fish will take it. What I need now is to see a couple of rises and cast to them. Like that. Small fly. That's what it needed. A smaller fly. Okay. Babless. Easily out. Hello. What you doing? What you doing? Ah. Hello. Hey, how are you? Hey, whoa, you're in the river with me. Zlati. Hey. Playful puppy. Okay, folks, it's that time of the night for a stimulator. The 6-foot rod has struck. Almighty rainbow, I think. Look at that. 6-foot rod. Can you believe that? Almighty brown trout. There we go. Almighty brown trout on a 6-foot rod with a size 18 fly. Fish very, very close to me there, I think. It was a fish rising. Just there at the side. It's hard to say in this dark. I think it was a fish rising. Oh, there we go. I've got the cast right for a change. Oh, it's hitting right into that grass. There we go. Yeah. There was one rising. Close in. They're hitting a 6-foot rod. The size of that fish for a 6-foot rod. Close quarters encounter. Oh yes. There we go. Ooh. Yes. Nice. Away nice. There we go. There we go. Nice fish. He's really using the rod well. He's not even half the size of that one. He's ripping line out. Stimulator. Beautiful fish. Beautiful finned. Lovely fish.